AI is already trading billions of dollars, and most beginners don't even know how it works. AI in trading means computers analyze the market and make decisions faster than humans. Today, AI can analyze huge data, find patterns, automate trades. In the future, AI will become even more powerful. You won't need to trade manually. AI will do everything. AI will create strategies just for you, will improve predictions, but it will never be 100% accurate. The best traders will use AI as a tool, not replace themselves, because there are still risks like scams, over-trusting AI, and of course, losing money. So, if you are a beginner, start small, test tools, and learn basics. AI will change trading, but only if you use it the right way.